Hi everyone, it is 2026 and we've just come in, it's a Sunday, having a quick wine and a look around. We're just about to head into Dark Park. As you can see, it's still very light. Let's see what's going on here for Dark Park, Dark Mofo this year. We're going to... I just said to Jeff they should have a bar here, and I think they do. They have a bar, Jeff.
Is there a bar?
There's a bar.
There's a bar here.
Guess what? We're having a session on the bar inside the new Spirit of Tasmania. I was just saying to Jeff, maybe they should just leave this thing in port, open it up as a new pub in Hobart, and they probably make more money than what they would get driving backwards and forwards. Just trying to post a short. We might be here for a while. Just still trying to work out how to upload a short. I tell you guys, I am so freaking excited right now because Saffron Restaurant is rejigged. It's happening, it's open, and here we are having a bit of a dinner. I wasn't thinking that we were hungry, but walked past, smelled it, and thought, you know what? Let's get in there and have some. Isn't that right, Jeff?
Yeah.
Jeff's been at Dark Park for too long.
Oh, we had a great day.
He's had a great day, he has. So I've ordered the Nawabi korma with a plain naan, we've got a garlic naan, we've got some drinks coming and some coconut rice, and it's going to be amazing.
Wow.
I'm so excited.
And if you are in Hobart during the winter time, I highly recommend checking out Dark Mofo, Dark Feast and Dark Park during the June event. And we really do enjoy saffron, so it's a great place to go and have some Indian food if you feel that way inclined. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.